Proportions of a Skull by Vladimir London. The central line of the head is the axis of symmetry. I mark the top and bottom edges of the skull. Its height is divided in half. Each half is divided into 3 equal parts, 6 parts in total. We will use those 6 parts to build the skull drawing. The level at the second mark is the widest part of the skull. Using a 2-part measurement as the radius, I draw a big circle, marking few points with the radius. This circle represents the cranium, the part of the skull that encircles the brain. The lower 3 parts are divided in half. This is the center of a smaller circle. The intersection of the circles is divided into 3 parts. This division helps to locate the points of the chin. 1/3 is also the width of the pear-shaped opening to the nasal cavity, which sits within the circle's borders. The third part of the skull is divided into 3 equal parts. This helps to locate the nose root or nation. I will mark the levels of the 4th part of the skull. The top of the nasal cavity opening is the center of the skull in the front view. The skull's 4th part is divided into 3 parts. The widest points of the big circle are projected as well. These points mark the height of the cheekbone arch. The distance from the chin to the base of the nose is divided into 3 equal parts. The 1/3 mark is the lower edge of the mastoid process. This oval is the place where the skull connects to the first vertebra of the spine. At the 6th level of the skull, the small semicircle is divided into 3 parts. The 2/3 marks are boundaries of the dental structure's width. The 1/3 of the big circle is used to locate the points of the lower jaw. Once again, 1/3 is used to locate the angle of the lower jaw. 1/3 is also the level for the line between the teeth. 1/3 of the skull's width marks the locations of the 2 canines. All that remains to complete this drawing is to depict the outlines of the cranium and the temple. Once again, 1/3 is used to place 2 bumps on the forehead. This concludes the drawing of a skull in the front view.